Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to set your minimum tip amount on your Streamlabs donation page. First, go to streamlabs.com and open your dashboard. On the left side panel, look for the Earn and Grow section. Under that, click on Tipping to open your My Tips page. Below My Tips, you'll see 4 tabs. You'll start on Tip Methods. Click the next tab, which is Tip Page Design. You'll see 2 sections here, Content and Design. Make sure you're in the Content section. Under Content, you'll see the option called Minimum Tip. It's set to 1 by default. Enter your desired minimum tip that people can send. I'll set it to 5. Once you're done, scroll down until you see the Save Changes button. Click on it. A pop-up banner will appear on the top right to confirm your changes were saved. To check if it worked, scroll back up until you see the Your Tip Page section. Click the link to copy your tip page URL. Open up a new tab, paste the link, and press Enter. Look under the Tip or Donation section. Try entering an amount below your minimum tip. The Donate button should turn gray and stay unclickable until you enter an amount that meets the minimum tip. If you want to learn how to change your suggested tip amount, watch the next video.